Hi, I'm Lisa Leiter. Here's your Chicago Business Today midday report. We begin with a special Crain's investigation that found the Illinois teachers' retirement system is the weakest big plan in the United States. 4 months of reporting by Lynn Merrick found that the pension plan is pumping more of its assets into higher risk investments. And some pension experts say the plan is using accounting methods that understate its funding shortfall, which now stands at more than $43 billion. TRS plans to allocate about a third of its nearly $38 billion portfolio to alternative assets like private equity and hedge funds in an effort to get better returns. TRS says its strategy is reasonable and with very manageable risk. You can read more in this week's print edition of Crain's or on chicagobusiness.com. CME Group is cutting back on its charitable giving. The exchange is blaming the collapse of MF Global. CME Group has given $22 million to Chicago area schools and charters over the past 5 years, but has stopped making grants through its main foundation. Last month, CME said it would give former MF customers the entire $50 million held by CME Trust, which was originally aimed at helping traders stung by a broker default, but in recent years has supported CME's charitable giving. Among the biggest beneficiaries of CME Group Foundation recently has been the Renaissance Schools Fund, which supports charter schools, the University of Chicago, and the Erickson Institute. Well, it pays to buy local on Groupon. The daily deal company is offering a $10 credit to the first 150,000 people who buy a local Groupon by Saturday. Groupon says it's a way to show people they can save money and support local business, but the move comes following a recent promotion by Amazon that gave shoppers a $5 discount if they used its Price Check app inside retail stores to find lower prices on the website. And eBay is weighing in too with a $10 credit to shop in stores if customers spend $100 online at 3 retailers, including Toys R Us. And finally, 'tis the season of stress, especially for corporate IT departments, the time of year when employees' gadget gifts can wreak havoc on corporate networks. This year's wave of threats will be caused by the Kindle Fire tablets. 4 million of them are expected to sell in this quarter alone. Companies used to try to limit the choices of devices, but not anymore. With so many options and more cloud-based business software, any device with a web browser or internet connection can become part of a network. And threats include malware, viruses, and the possibility of exposing sensitive emails or data if a device is lost. Well, that's this edition of Chicago Business Today. You can read more on all of these stories at chicagobusiness.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.